Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring over the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 7,081 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 83,913. As of yesterday, 137.46 crore vaccination was given. In Mumbai yesterday, 336 new corona cases reported. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that Goa would have been liberated from Portuguese rule much before 1961 had Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel lived longer. Modi was in Goa on the occasion of the state's 60th Liberation Day. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar on Sunday said that India and the Central Asian countries had similar concerns and objectives in Afghanistan and flagged the goal of a truly inclusive and representative government, the fight against terrorism and drug trafficking, ensuring unhindered humanitarian assistance, and preserving the rights of women, children, and the minorities. After two dismal summer season for tourism in Kashmir, winter has brought cheer back to the valleys with peaks capped with snow early this year. Tourists from across the country are arriving in droves. With Gulmarg, the valley's top draw during the winter, bursting with tourists. Jammu and Kashmir administration are planning to open some more destinations like Sonmarg and Dodapathi to start with. Six more Omicron cases were found in Maharashtra. Total tally is now 54 in Maharashtra. In calendar year 2021, so far, foreign portfolio investors has withdrawn 47,126 from Indian stock market, but invested over 78,433 crores in the primary markets, that is initial public offers. Severe cold wave conditions are at 5 stations in the Rajasthan state, recording sub-zero temperature during the last 24 hours. Death toll in Philippines from Typhoon Rai goes up to 144. Yesterday, Indian stock market was closed, hence there are no news related to Indian stock market. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.